Tastes like hitting fish in a barrel.
Fall in love with the new fudge brownie temptation at Dairy Queen. Topped with gooey fudge, moist brownie pieces, and Ritz topping.
There we go. That's the YALE stainless steel solid shrouded dimple lock, picked in about 3 seconds flat with a short hook and a rigid tension wrench. And put it back to the lock position. See that, yes, in fact, it does work with the key. Once again, thank you Redbird 1983 for the lock and also for fixing it. Yeah, I learned a lot, and if you like that, rate it. Peace, don't break the law, and have fun.